it's your girl, Alyssa Morrison, back again with yet another video. It is about 100 degrees outside, but I'm wearing a sweatshirt because it's fall, okay? Today, I wanted to share with you guys my fall room tour of 2019. I finally have everything how I like it. It's minimalistic, everything's neutral. Does anyone else's dog just stare at themselves in the mirror for like 8 hours at a time? Without further ado, let's jump right into the fall room decor 2019. Okay, so this is the crate situation for Rocco, and I have this sort of gold mustard yellow blanket. This is from Target. It is by the brand Opal House. I eventually want to get another like cream or white blanket to add in there, but it's just been so hot still that I think 2 blankets would kind of be too much for him right now. And this little rose gold dog bowl is from Target as well. And then up here, I just wanted to try to add a little decor into like this half of the room, just because the crate takes up such a big space. So I have this tray. I actually picked this up at Goodwill for, I think it was like $2.50. So really good score there. This is one of my favorite fall candles. This is a pumpkin spice scent from Walmart. This candle was like 98 cents, I'm pretty sure. And it makes my whole room smell just like fall. This little match striker is from Target. These matches with the black tips are from Etsy. Originally, when I ordered them, I thought they were gonna be like a normal matchstick size, but they're very tall. Looks a little awkward, but we're just going with it. This pumpkin is from Target, and I ripped the tag off and it actually like took a big chunk out, so we're just gonna ignore that. This is a vanilla scented like room diffuser, but I actually took out the sticks just because it was getting a little bit too strong. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is from Target as well. Over in this corner, I have this macrame piece. I actually made this. You can tell the wood is like splintered and not that professional looking, but I really love this on that space right there. Okay, so here is my bed. I just got this duvet insert, so it's a little bit wrinkled. And over here, I just have some art that I've either purchased from Etsy or just downloaded and printed from Unsplash. And then this mirror is from Target. I'm obsessed with the way that this looks in the room, and I love the brass or like the gold around it. I think it really just ties everything together. Bless you. Bless you. Over here, I have 2 mirrors for my closet, and let's see what else. Oh yeah, so I have this little toy basket. All of his toys are downstairs right now, and there's his toothbrush, but I just have this basket in the corner for all of Rocco's toys. Okay, the lighting is a little bit harsh, but I just wanted to show you my side table here. So my mom actually got me this table. I'm not sure where she got it from. I think it was like used from somewhere. Under here I have this pull-out basket with throw blankets and like extra blankets for Rocco's kennel or just for me to use as well. This basket is from Target as well as his toy basket. Obsessed with these. I think they look way more like expensive and nice than they actually are. And they're this kind of like soft rope material. I think they're way cute. Okay, up here I have just some products that I've been using like every single day. This is a lotion that I use when I self-tan, and I usually self-tan in my room with my big mirrors. And I just got this clear pump from Target. And then this is one of my favorite body lotions, the current perfume I'm wearing, and then some supplements that I'm taking every single night. And then these 2 candlesticks are from Target as well. It's just like this clear glass holder and then the black candles. This is my absolute favorite candle right now. I haven't burned this one yet, but this is the sheer Vanilla Embrace by Glade, and it smells so good. I'm obsessed with vanilla, but it doesn't smell like super like cupcakey vanilla. It's just a really nice scent, so I definitely recommend going and trying that out. And it was only like $2.99, so score. And then this skull, if you can see in the light, it's actually kind of iridescent. It's not super opaque, but it's pretty cool. It's kind of like a speckled look. I got this from Target as well. And this skull and these two candle lights I added for like Halloween time. I don't usually have them in this space. So do you like the room? Do you like it a lot? Oh, really? Okay, so that is all for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next time.